So we're starting a new one. We're in Rawdon in Leeds. It's beginning at New Year, so it's the first one for the year. So behind that bamboo, there's a long shed. So we're going to demolish that and get rid of that. And this is where the new garden room's going to sit. There's going to be a 2 metre square storage there, and then it's going to come out 3 metres deep there and run 3.6 that way. There'll be French doors here. There'll be a long window there and a window corner feature over there. And these ones will be the same colour as the house windows. So we're going to drop them in the grey like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little video on YouTube every day as a bit of a tutorial as well. So if you like the videos, subscribe, and hopefully we'll be able to get a little channel going as well. Thank you. We're halfway through demolishing this this shed now. There's a lot more in it than I thought there were going to be, so that's why it's taken us a bit longer. There's a lot of ivy on the top of the roof there, and it's all sort of grown in and wound into the building. But we're going to chop it all up and get it off site and get ready to build the space. So timber's arrived for the job. As you can see, we don't use any panels, any kit form. It's just basically sheet materials, lengths of timber, and we'll make our building out of that. We've got a little bit of an issue here. The drive's too tight to get the wagon round, so what we're going to do, we're going to drop it all here, get it in the van, and bring it up the drive. Thanks. So we've had this timber dropped to end at drive. What we're going to do now is handball it all in van and bring it up to where we'll need it. So we've stripped the vast majority of the shed down completely. We've cut back the ivy quite a lot. So tomorrow we're just going to get rid of all this vegetation and we'll start putting this base in and move that fridge as well. So you can basically see where the unit's going to go now. It's going to be just short of 6 metres long. It's going to be 3 metres deep. The garden office itself will be 3.7 by 3 metres, and then you'll have a 2 metre square storeroom, which will all be clad in cedar as well. It's starting to take shape now after a bit of a day. Like, we've got all timber up front drive as well. You can see all there, and we're just going to take all that wood to tip now and get rid of that.